Welcome to everyone. So students, as I told you earlier that we are going to revise the rules for narration in this lecture today. I just want everyone to be attentive with the please. We are going to start off with the rules of narration. Am I audible to everyone? Okay, that's good. Okay, we are gonna start. If you have any queries, you have the option to unmute yourselves, and even you can ask me in the chat box. And kindly before the starting of the class, please mark your attendance, everyone, in the chat box. Mark your attendance in the chat box. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's start. We started practicing narrations. Remember, we started practicing narrations in that class, and most of you were unable to even change the simple sentences. Okay, now let's start. Number one, first, what is direct and what is indirect speech? We are going to start right from the beginning. That what is direct and what is indirect speech. Okay, when we speak, when we report something using the exact words of the speaker, we use direct speech. For example, when we say that he said or the boy said, I am happy with my results. So we are reporting the same words, the exact words of the speaker in the inverted commas. Got it? That this is for direct speech. But when we report something in our own words, we use indirect speech, that when we report the wording of the speaker in our own words, that is indirect speech. So direct speech, the boy said, I am happy with my results. But how we will report it indirectly? That the boy said that he was happy with his results. Over here, we have changed the tense, that initially we were quoting his words and we were in that age, in that era that we are talking about. But when we changed the wording in our own words, it means we are talking about the past, that the boy has said that thing few days back, or an hour ago or something. So that's why we have changed into was. Okay, we will discuss these changes later on. Okay, next, this thing is clear that what is direct and what is indirect speech. And then we have first rule. The first rule for the change of pronoun. It is that in the change of pronoun. What are pronouns? What are pronouns? Anyone? Anyone? And kindly students appear in the class with your own names. Kindly don't appear in the class with your phone names or any other name. Kindly please rename your IDs. Someone is there with the name of iPhone. Kindly please rename your ID. Okay, that's good, Amna. That the words that are used instead of noun. The change in pronoun. The first change, that is in first person pronoun. The first person pronoun, there are, three kinds of personal pronouns. First person, second person, third person. First person changes. First person is for the speaker, second person for the listener, and third person for the third person pronoun for the person talked about. Okay, first person pronoun I, we, me, mine, us, ours normally change to the third person pronoun he, she, it, they, his, her, their, him, her, them. Mean it changes normally according to the subject of the reporting speech. Okay, it changes according to the subject. For example, he told her, the subject in this speech is he. He told her, I want to meet your friend. Now, what is the first person pronoun in the reporting speech? Yes. So the first person pronoun is I. No one is answering. No one is unmuting to answer. So kindly please be attentive in the class. The first person pronoun I is changing according to the subject he. So the first person pronoun is changing into the third person pronoun and according to the subject he. He told her. So he told her, I want to meet your father. So he told her that he, it has changed into it. Wanted, want will be changed into wanted. To meet your father will be changed into her father. This is second person pronoun. Your is second person pronoun and it changes according to the object. And in the object is her in that speech. Okay. So I, the first person pronoun changes according to the subject. The second person pronoun changes according to the object. So in this sentence, we have implemented both the changes. He told her that he wanted to meet her father. Got it? Now, second thing is that there will be no change if the pronoun, if in the pronoun when the speaker reports his own words, that then there will be no change if I say that what did I say. If I am reporting my own words, I'm the speaker, I'm using the pronoun of I for myself. If I am reporting my own words, then there will be no change in the first person pronoun. I said I am going. So I am quoting my own words. So there will be no change in my own words. The sentence will change simply like I said that I was going. So only that there will be a change of tense because the time will be changed. I said these words few hours back or something. So this is only the time will be changed, only that there will be a change of tense. So got it? The first rule of pronoun is that the first person pronoun changes according to the third person pronoun, and if there will be no change if the speaker, I am quoting my own words. Got it everyone till here? Is it clear everyone? Please answer me in the chat box or that's good. Iman, that's very good. Okay, the next rule, we're going to move to the next rule. That is second person pronoun. We have already discussed it in the first example as well. We have already discussed that second person pronoun you and yours change according to the person of the object of the reporting verb. That the first person pronoun changes according to the subject and second person pronoun changes according to the object. So it is going to change according to the object. He told her. He is the subject. What is the object in the sentence? What is the object in the sentence? Who's saying Ahmed is told an object? Kindly please behave sensibly during the online classes. I don't know what had happened. What has happened to you? I'm asking about the object. that what is the object in the sentence he told her. Told is the verb. Her is the object. That's good, Amna. Her is the object. He told her, I love you. So that second person pronoun you use changes according to the person of the object of reporting speech. So the second person of the reported speech will change according to the object of reporting speech. Over here, her is the object. So the second person pronoun I love you. You is the second person pronoun. It will be changed into he told her that. After the omission of inverted commas, we will use that. He, the first person pronoun, has changed according to the subject of reporting speech, and then loved her. You will be changed according to the object of the reporting speech. Done. Let's take another example. I told him you are a stupid. I told him, you are a stupid. You over here in the reported speech, you is the second person pronoun that is going to be changed according to the object of reporting this reporting speech. I told him. So the you is going to change according to him. I told him that he was a stupid. So you has been changed into he according to the requirement of the reporting speech him. Got it? Is the second rule clear, clear to everyone? Is it clear, students? Okay. The next thing is third person pronoun do not normally change in the reported speech. Third person pronoun does not change at all. Pronouns, they do not change at all. That she said, I love him. Him is the third person pronoun. It will remain the same. She said that she loved him. There is a change in the first person pronoun that has been changed into she, but the third person pronouns they do not change. They remain same. Got it? He, she, it, he, she, it, and they. These are the third person pronoun. They do not change in the reported speech. Got it, everyone? It's a simple rule that if there is in the reported speech, there's the use of he, she, it, they, him, her. So these will not be changed. Okay. Next, all inverted commas or quotation marks are omitted, and the sentence ends with a full stop. The reported speech, the inverted commas of reported speech and the comma after the reported speech, all these marks will be omitted and the sentence will end up with a full stop. Conjunction that is added before the indirect statement. Now change the following sentences. So conjunction is added. Which conjunction is added? We will use the conjunction that for that purpose. But after the omission of inverted commas, the conjunction that will be used. Okay, now change the following sentences. I just want quick responses from everyone because we are left with 5 minutes. I just want quick response from everyone. She said, I am quite fine here. She said, I am quite fine here. The students are leaving when there is a question of answering something online. That's good. She said, I am quite fine here. You can answer me in the chat box. You can answer me while by unmuting yourself. Okay, this is the answer from Amna. She said that she, Amna is, will it be she is? She said that she was quite fine there. Good, very good. Next, he said, I write every day. He said, I write every day. Be quick, Ahmed. You are here as well. Iman, type your answers. Be quick. Or these are few sentences. He said that he wrote every day. That's good. He said that he writes Nayamna. He wrote. The first form will be changed into second form. Okay, we have changed two sentences. Rest of the sentences you can change on your notebook for the sake of practice. Then we have the rules for change in tenses. The second rule, we will quickly discuss the second rule, that is change in indirect speech rule for all the tenses. This is that simple present will be changed into simple past. Simple change present will be changed into simple past means first form will be changed into second form. Simple continuous present continuous into past continuous mean is MR will be changed into was were. Present perfect into past perfect. Has have will be changed into had. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. That have been waiting, has have been waiting will be changed into had been waiting. Simple past into past perfect tense. That second form will be changed into had plus third form. Had plus third form. There we have examples as well. Simple present into simple past means that Alex said, I always wait for Mark here. Alex said that he always waited for Mark here. First form, wait, has been changed into waited. Present continuous into past continuous. Alex said, I am waiting for Mark. Alex said that he was waiting for Mark. Means is am are has been changed into was were. Number 3, present perfect into past perfect. Alex said, I have completed my essay. Alex said that he had completed his essay. Means has been changed into had. Present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. Alex said, I have been waiting for Mark. Alex said that he had been waiting for Mark. So has have been plus ing has been changed into had been plus ing. Simple past into past perfect. Alex said Mark received a letter. Alex said that Mark had received a letter. Second form has been changed into had plus third form. Okay, there are a few more rules. Past perfect into past perfect, that had will remain had. Alex said, I had listened to your questions. Alex said that he had listened to my questions. Means at the third form will remain third form. Future simple will into would. Alex said, I will teach you reported speech. Alex said that he would teach me reported speech means that will be changed into would. Future continuous will be into would be. Simple. Alex said, I will be teaching you reported speech. Alex said that he would be teaching me reported speech. Will be changed into would be, and future perfect continuous will have into would have. Alex said, I will have written a letter. Alex said that he would have written a letter. So these are the changes in the tense of the reported speech, that how we are going to change the tense, how we are going to change implement the changes in the tense. So in today's lecture, we have done two things. One, change in pronoun, and the other thing that is change in tense. So the sentences that are given in the slides, you have to do all those sentences in your notebooks. Got it, everyone? For the sake of practice. You need to practice narrations a lot. Is it clear till here, everyone? Everyone, just few students in the class. So there are few more sentences. Kindly practice all the sentences so that it should be clear to you. Got it, everyone? I'll check your notebooks right after getting back to school. This is a type of revision for our papers, the upcoming papers. One thing I want to tell you, I'll upload it on GC as well, that the whole reviewed syllabus that has been given to you is included in your pre-board examination, the upcoming pre-board examination. So you will prepare the whole reviewed syllabus. We have revised it twice, and we have done everything. Nothing is difficult in that. Everything has been revised a number of times. So you will, the whole syllabus, the reviewed syllabus will be included in your pre-board examination, the upcoming pre-board examination. Got it, students? All the students, the time of the class is going to over. That's all for today. See you tomorrow, inshallah. And for now, please, for now, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourselves, everyone.